So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HQ local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows NT. We're going to scroll down until we find Windows NT. You want to expand that. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand current version. And now you want to click on Win Logon. Scroll down till we find Win Logon. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. You want to find Power Down after Shutdown. Double click on it. And now once we're here, if your value data was already on 0, then you want to make it 1. If your value data was already on 1, then you want to make it 0. Now for me, when I clicked on this, my value data was on 0. So I changed it to 1. So you want to change it from the value data it was on previously to either 1 or 0. Then you want to click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.